Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you on how to add product reviews on your Shopify store with image. Reviews with pictures would actually look like it's legit rather than just plain text, right? So when the customer sees the reviews, they would believe that those are from real clients that bought your products, and that would increase your sales. So without further ado, let's get into it. First is you need to add an app which is called Rivo. You can see this is the logo. It has Rivo pop-ups or email pop-ups, loyalty and referrals. But make sure to click the right app, okay? So click install. Okay, so once you have managed the payments, it would look like this one. But in my case, I availed the free trial version. So first is you want to edit this one. Depends on your liking. You can change the title or make the stars look like it's full shade or empty. Also the words, you can change this one, or maybe you prefer numbers on it. I prefer words. You can change to love it, it's okay, hate it. And once you are done, you can go back, and on the upload media, you can also edit this one, the title header, also the subtitle, but it's fine with me. Also the call to action, click to add video. If you have upgraded your plan, you can actually upload videos. On tell us more, this is where your customers are going to write their reviews. You can change this one and also this one, also the call to action, also the title of your review. On the about you section, here are the details of your customers, first name, last name, and their email address, and the call to action. Also the success page after submitting the reviews, you can change it in here. The discount code, you can actually get the unique code that is put in here. I will show you later. And then you can actually edit all of this. And then once you're done, you're going to hit save. So after you hit the save button, you can actually see the review widget that we have done earlier. So we're just going to click this eye icon so we can see the preview of the store, and then click any products, and then just scroll down, and then we can actually write reviews here. For example, we're going to rate it. Click add photo, choose whatever photo we have. Let's try to have great item. Title for the review would be like awesome. This is just an example. So just a hack on how we can add reviews without having any several or multiple email addresses is we can just make our own fake email address. So that's it, and how you add reviews. So on this part, since we just have a free plan, what is great about this is your customer could have a discount code that is uniquely made for them if they submit a review, and it will show here. But since we have a free plan, I cannot show you. So I suggest to have upgrade your plan so you have a better features on your review widgets. Okay? So it will be posted in here, and voila, it is right there. You can add how many reviews you want to add on your store. So that's it. That's how easy adding product reviews on your store. So I hope you liked it, and I hope you learned from it. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe this video for future video instructions or tutorials. Thank you.